Radha Sharma, editor newsband, daily English newspaper of Navi Mumbai. Today we have with us Atharva Abhijit Tambat, who is a class 12 student of Ryan International School, Sanpara. He has made Navi Mumbai proud by scoring a perfect 100 percentile in JEE May 2021. In fact, Atharva is one of the 13 students from across the country and also the only student from Navi Mumbai to have achieved this goal. Welcome and heartiest congratulations, Atharva.
Thank you.
So, Atharv, we hear that this is your second attempt. You were not very satisfied with the first result, in which you had scored 99.75 percentile, and you were not satisfied with your chemistry paper. So, in your second attempt, you achieved the perfect score. Please tell us since how long have you been preparing for the examination?
Actually, it was 99.97 in the first attempt.
99.97, all right, okay. So you were not happy with that score?
No, actually, I was expecting something above 99.99. Just the chemistry marks, I think, pulled the percentile down. So there were only 20 days remaining for the second attempt. So I thought I would just revise the chemistry part again from NCERT, and then I'll try to get better marks in the second attempt.
Okay, so since how long have you been preparing for JEE exam?
From the start of 10th standard.
And you are in class 12. You will be going to have your board exam very soon. So was it difficult to balance both the JEE preparation as well as class 12?
I think the syllabus for boards is a subset of the syllabus for JEE. So if you cover JEE syllabus well, so I think you should be done for boards apart from one or two topics from the NCERT.
During the entire 2020, and in fact even now, the classes are being held online. So did this affect your studies?
Not in a negative way. It actually helped save me time. I live in Vashi, and the center I go to for coaching is Seawoods. So it takes some amount of time for traveling. So it saved that time. So I could use it properly for studies.
Did you take special coaching, and when did you start taking that special coaching, if you ever did?
I had taken up Vidyarthi Academy in class 10th, and then for class 11th and 12th, I took FITGE integrated course.
And we hear that even earlier too, you have been doing extremely well, and you have bagged a number of examination. You have scored quite well. I think you were the topper of Navi Mumbai topper in class 10th. And also you have scored and topped the National Talent Search Examination Olympiad, and also Homi Baba examination, among others. So right from the beginning, has focus been only on academics, or is there leaning towards sports as well?
The major focus has been on academics. I play sports once in a while just to freshen up. I had joined the table tennis club in NMSA, summer vacation club. I also like to draw, read, just to freshen up my mind.
So right from the childhood, or when did your focus on academics start basically?
I think it was around class 4th or 5th that my major focus was on academics rather than extracurricular activities.
See, Arthur, it is actually difficult to excel in any field without the support from your near and dear ones. So how supportive, or what has been the role of your parents, your teachers, and also your principal?
My parents, supported me from the very beginning. He helped me. My father is an engineer, so he has actually helped me with some of the topics in physics. The later ones, semiconductors. Uh, Mother is always supportive. Um, and yeah, all of them were actually very supportive from the very beginning. I don't know what to say.
There was an inclination you wanted to become an engineer right from the beginning, right from childhood.
The beginning, as in the beginning of 10th, I had any no special aim before 10th.
Mhm. So now, with such good score, what is your future plan?
Future plan is just focusing on JEE Advanced and getting a good rank and getting into a good IIT. And I have not thought beyond that.
Any stream, any particular stream that you are interested in?
Um, Either computer science or electronics.
That is what you like to have. And which
Yes.
IIT would you be interested in if given a choice?
Sure, IIT Bombay.
I see. And what message would you like to give to those who wish to sit for the JEE exam? Is there any special mantra or success? What is the secret behind your success? If I asked,
Practice daily. That's all. Uh, just don't take any pressure. Uh, Practice daily. I think that's all. Practicing uh, little parts rather than doing everything at the end is, I think, takes the pressure off.
uh, I mean, on behalf of some of the students, I would like to. I'm quite curious to know what is usually the schedule of Atharva. How does the day begin and how does it end?
No fixed schedule. I just try to study whenever I can, and if there is often I get mentally exhausted, so I just take 30 minutes off and read something or play table tennis. Yeah,
30 minutes off between what is the duration of the studies and then 30 minutes off?
it's nothing fixed actually. It depends. If I get bored, let's say from 2 hours of studying, then I take a break. If even if it's half an hour after studying for half an hour, I take a break. So it's not like I have to study 2 hours. After that only I will take a break. So it's whenever I get bored, I just take take some time off.
Do you watch TV?
And just a little
Or I
bit.
may rephrase it. When was the last time when you watched TV?
I do not remember. I do not watch TV. I listen to music, watch videos on mobile, but not TV. I don't think I've watched TV for like a month or two now.
I think that is the secret behind the success.
I don't know.
Thank you so much, Atharv. And in fact, on behalf of the entire team of Newsman, I wish you all the best for your advanced, JEE advanced, and also for your 12th standard. Thank you, Atharv, and the viewers. Please do follow all the COVID-19 protocols. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks, Atharv.
Welcome.